In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your check printer in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just getting started or need a refresher on the process, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure your setup is seamless and efficient. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Once there, click on Sign In. You'll be prompted to choose your QuickBooks product, so make sure to select QuickBooks Online. This ensures you're accessing the correct platform for your needs. After selecting QuickBooks Online, you'll be asked to enter your credentials, type in your email and password, and then hit Continue to proceed. Once you're signed in, look for the New button located at the top left of your QuickBooks Online interface. This will open a menu of options. From here, scroll through and click on Print Checks. This will take you to the section where you can manage your check printing preferences. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page where you'll find the Print Setup option. Click on it to begin configuring your printer for check printing. Here you'll have an option to choose between different styles. For this demonstration, we'll go with standard. Selecting the standard format ensures compatibility with most check types, making this step straightforward. At this stage, it's crucial to preview your setup to make sure everything looks correct before proceeding. Click on View Preview and Print Sample. This will generate a sample check for you to inspect. It's a great opportunity to verify that the alignment and layout match your expectations and your pre-printed checks. Once you've reviewed the preview, go ahead and click on Print to print a sample check. Upon printing, place the sample check on top of your pre-printed checks document to compare them. Pay particular attention to the dollar amount and other printed details, as they need to be correctly aligned with your pre-printed checks. If, during this comparison, you notice that the dollar amount or any other details didn't print as needed, don't worry. Simply select No Continue Setup and fine-tune your printer alignment. Adjust these settings until the printed details line up perfectly with your pre-printed checks. If everything looks good and is aligned properly, give yourself a pat on the back and select Yes, I'm finished. This confirms that your printer setup is complete and you are all set to print checks directly from QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you ensure that your check printing process is set up correctly, avoiding any potential errors and saving valuable time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you feel more confident in managing your check printing within QuickBooks Online. Happy printing!